Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send money using Xoom money transfer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing first, go ahead, open up either your browser and sign in xoom.com or get into the app itself. Download the app from your app store or play store and tap on the option of login with PayPal to log in directly from your PayPal account. Now add in your email address over here of PayPal account, tap on next, add in the password, and you're good to go. As soon as you've done that, you're going to be in the home screen where you will be tapping on this option of send money. Once you tap on the send money, you will have to choose the destination country. Then you have to select how the money will be received, the receiving method. Then you will be able to go to the section where you'll have to enter the recipient's account details according to the option that you have chosen, or e-wallet information if you have chosen that as the receiving method. Then the recipient's personal information will be needed. Go ahead and provide that, and then you have to choose how you would like to pay the payment method. Once you provided the information of your payment method and confirm all the information, you're going to tap on the send option to complete the transaction, and you are good to go. That's how basically you do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.